Okay, snowing in my window. In my window kitchen. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it stopped. It stopped now. I woke up with this. I woke up. Oh, with so much snow now. Allah. And look at my neighbors. Oh, how can I drive? Allah, look at that. Oh. Naku. I don't know if and look at the road right there. It's all snow. Normally if there's a snow, somebody will scrape it. This is the scary one. This is the scary one, is to drive in the road. Allah. Tingnan ko nga. I'm gonna go check my backyard. Hey! It's snowing now. It's already like 8 o'clock. I'm supposed to go take a shower. And my gosh, look at that. Look at this. It's snow everywhere. Oh my goodness. Let me see my yeah. Oh my goodness, how can I drive? Delikado to. Ay. Nako, ang daming snow. Ako, I'm gonna go drive so slow. Okay, time to go to work. It's already, we have a lot of snow, so it's gonna be so hard. I still need to clean up my car, because for sure, look at that, very thick very thick snow. I have to be careful kasi madulas din to. Oh wow, did you see all those trees? May mga snow. Look at our car. That means I have to take those ice out. This is my husband's car, and this is my car. Would you believe? Natabunan na ng snow. So I gotta clean it up. Pati snow pumasok sa sasakyan ko. Then I have to put this into yung pagkain ko. Ayan na. So ladies and gentlemen, since it's so hard for me to clean that up, I have to go find a long, what do you call that? Yun, nakakita na ako. A long stick. You know, may long stick doon. Grabe, oh. Going here. I hope this will help me. This one will help me scrape my the snow. Tingnan natin. Mahirap pa rin, oh. Kahit ganinihin ko siya, oh. Hindi ko kasi abot, eh. Basta lang, importante. Matanggal lang. Kasi i-scrape ko din to, eh. Kasi that one. I-scrape ko yan mamaya konti. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Na-scrape ko na yung kahit na paano dito. Kaya lang tingnan nyo, oh. Puting-puti. Nakakatakot minsan din ang pag-drive dito. Oh my gosh. So, ito, kailangan ko lang mamaya kasi mahirap mag-drive. Hindi mo nyo nakikita yung side mirror. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, ako ay bubuksan ko yung aking ano. Lagay ko muna yung stick ko dyan. Bubuksan ko muna yung kotse ko para uminit ka agad. Mahirap na. Hindi iinit. Tapos, I'm gonna do heat. No. High. Bigyan ko ng high. Nakikita niyo yun, high. So, habang nag-ano yan, ay, kaya ko pa mag-scrape. Ito ang aking scraper. Pupunta na lang ako dun sa ano. Iwan ko na muna yan dito. Pagbalik ko saka ako siya yan. Yeah. So, scrape. Alam mo, dito. Oh, mas madali lang pala i-scrape na ganyan. Kita niya. Oh. Kaya lang, masyadong maiksi ang aking kamay. Kaya nahihirapan akong i-tanggalin. Grabe. Oh. Yeah. Kahit ito lang, isa sa sasakyan, ito mga major na talagang aalisin mo ang ano. Kasi may, siyempre, ayan. Ayan. So, ito okay lang. Kasi wala naman pero madali lang siyang tanggalin, ano. Hinihintay ko na lang uminit yung sasakyan para madali lang. Kaya lang problema ko, short ang hands ko. Pero madali lang, oh. Uminit na sa loob, eh. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see kung mainit na. Ay, hindi pa rin. Parang nahihirapan yung aking. Okay, maghihintay ako. Hay nako, itong aking ano, pag nag-i-snow. Ala, nag-i-snow nga na naman, oh. Umuulan na naman. This is the first snow for 2025. The last snow I experienced was in 2023. Yung pauwi na ako, that was November. This was almost on my birthday time. Tapos, birthday ko, hindi, before the birthday, mga November 13 or 28. Ngayon, ang aking ano, nag-i-snow pa uwi. So, ang hirap mag-drive. So, ngayon ito, umuulan na naman. Umuulan na naman, oh. Umuulan. Anyway, it's my first time, at saka, it is my first, because I got this car in 2023. Oh, it's not the first time. This is the second time pala magdadrive yung aking sasakyang Mazda. Four-wheeler naman to eh, kaya had nothing to worry. So, ngayon ang dami kong client. So, I hope I survive this snow pagpasok ko. Oh, sige, I'll talk to you later, babush. Gentlemen, I survived the driving. I'm already here in the office. So, at least, pero wala masyadong snow dito. Grabe yun, no? Wala masyadong snow. Pero sa amin sa Tacoma, oops, I forgot. I have to close my car. Close ko muna. Yun, pasigurado. So anyway, I'm now in the office. Maganda na naman ang araw. Tingnan niyo, oh. Parang hindi ko alam kung ito mag-snow na. So, okay, time to work.